Here we have question 13 of the 2022 SAT. What is the sum of the solutions to the given equation x squared minus 14x plus 40 is equal to 2x plus 1, where we have a is negative 16, b is negative 14, c is 14, and d is 16. Now, let's write down the equation so we can show our work. Since we want solutions, we want one side to be 0. So let's start off with subtracting 2x on both sides. So now we have x squared minus 14x minus 2x plus 40 is equal to 1. Let's continue by subtracting 1 on both sides. We also did another step. What do we think that is? That is correct. We combined negative 14x and negative 2x, and the result of that is negative 16x. So now we have x squared minus 16x plus 40 minus 1 is equal to 0. And 40 minus 1 is 39. So now we have x squared minus 16x plus 39 is equal to 0. Now, there are multiple ways to continue here. One of them is to use the quadratic formula, and another is to factor. Let's factor x squared minus 16 plus 39 as the quantity of x minus 13 times the quantity of x minus 3. Remember, when we factor, we want two numbers that multiply to positive 39 and add to negative 16. In this case, negative 13 times negative 3 is positive 39, and negative 13 plus negative 3 is negative 16. So we factored correctly. Now, let's set each binomial equal to 0 and solve. So now we have x minus 13 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. First, let's solve for x minus 13 is equal to 0. Let's add 13 to both sides, so x is equal to 13. Next, let's solve for x minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's add 3 to both sides, so x is equal to 3. Now that we have both solutions, we need to find the sum. So we need to add 3 and 13, and the result of that is 16. This means D is the answer. That is question 13 for section 3. And remember, there is always tomorrow.